New identity, expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. Before that we saw that a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square is equal to what we saw? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. But if in between this a plus b, if any another term will come, so if a plus b plus c will come, at that time how you have to expand this, that you have to see. This I will write a plus b plus c bracket square. Square means 2 time multiplication, means same bracket will multiply with the same bracket. So a plus b plus c is multiplied with a plus b plus c. After that you have to utilize the distributive law. Distributive law means you have to divide this bracket in between this bracket, means a multiplied by this whole bracket plus b multiplied by this whole bracket plus c multiplied by this whole bracket. So I will write this as a multiplied by a plus b plus c plus b multiplied by a plus b plus c plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. After that you have to utilize again distributive law. Then a multiplied by a multiplied by b, a multiplied by c, a multiplied by a multiplied by b, a multiplied by c. In the same manner, b multiplied by a, b multiplied by b, b multiplied by c, b multiplied by a, b multiplied by b, b multiplied by c. After that again you have to distribute the c, c multiplied by a, c multiplied by b, c multiplied by c. So this becomes c multiplied by a, c multiplied by b, and c multiplied by c. After that you have to do the product. This a multiplied by a is equal to a square, a multiplied by b is equal to ab, a multiplied by c is equal to ac, b multiplied by a is equal to, you will say that ba, but instead of saying ba you have to say that ab, because alphabetically a will come first, after that b will come. So the product of this b multiplied by a, you will write this as ab. Then here you have to write this b multiplied by b is equal to b square, b multiplied by c is equal to bc, c multiplied by a is equal to ac, c multiplied by b is equal to bc, and c multiplied by c is equal to c square. Then first of all you have to write these square terms first. Then a square plus b square plus c square you have to write together. Then this ab you have to write with this ab, because these are the like term. This ab plus ab you have to write together. This bc plus bc you have to write together. This ac remain, ac plus ac you have to write together. Then a square plus b square plus c square as it is you have to write. ab plus 1ab plus 1ab is equal to 2ab. 1bc plus 1bc is equal to 2bc. 1ac plus 1ac is equal to 2ac. And from that our identity becomes a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Means expansion of this identity and this identity. What is the difference? How you have to you have to prove this identity. Already we saw this identity, and now we are seeing the expansion of this identity. This expansion will not ask in the exam, but for your future betterment, this one is important. How this identity will come? If that question will come to you, that time this has to come in your mind that a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to 2 times multiplication after distributive law, and after that you have to collect the like terms together and single terms you have to write together, and you have to make the identity a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. I think you understand all these things. You have to write these things in the notebook. Thank you.